In order to protect employees who are working in high heat environments from heat illnesses on the job, hydration is vital. If we're going to be performing moderate work in the heat for 2 hours or more, we need to be consuming at least 8 ounces of water every 15 to 20 minutes. That's 32 ounces in an hour. If we're going to be sweating for extended periods of time, then we also want to supplement that water consumption with electrolyte beverages. In addition to hydrating with, water and electrolyte beverages, it's also very important that we do not skip meals. So we want to make sure we are eating breakfast. We also need to be eating lunch because those meals are going to supply our bodies with salt. Most employees are not hydrating with 8 ounces of water every 15 to 20 minutes. So these key reminders are critical when it comes to heat illness prevention in the workplace.